Discover Tamaulipas, nature's hidden gem in Mexico. Welcome to Tamaulipas, a state in northeastern Mexico where the land meets the sea in a symphony of natural wonders. Here, on the edge of the Gulf of Mexico, lies a land less traveled, a place where vibrant ecosystems thrive. Join us now as we venture into the heart of Tamaulipas to uncover its hidden gems and explore breathtaking landscapes. Our journey begins on the coastal plains of Tamaulipas, where the vast expanse of Laguna Madre stretches out before us. This magnificent lagoon, one of the largest in the world, is a haven for an astounding array of bird life. The shallow, saline waters of Laguna Madre provide an ideal feeding ground for countless species of birds, particularly during the spring and fall migrations. Flocks of American white pelicans, their plumage gleaming in the sunlight, congregate in their thousands. Wading birds patrol the shallows, their keen eyes scanning for fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic delicacies. Great blue herons stand motionless, their patience rewarded as they spear unsuspecting prey with lightning-fast strikes. Snowy egrets, their pristine white feathers, a stark contrast to the blue waters, dance gracefully along the shoreline. Overhead, the air is alive with the sound of wings beating in unison, as flocks of ducks and geese make their way to and from their feeding grounds. Northern pintails, their elongated tail feathers trailing behind them like ribbons, mingle with widgeons, teals, and shovelers. For the birdwatcher, Laguna Madre is a dream come true, a place where one can witness the wonders of nature up close and personal.
We leave the coastal plains behind and venture inland, towards the towering peaks of the Sierra Madre Oriental, where a different world awaits us. El Cielo Biosphere Reserve. Here, emerald green forests cloak the mountainsides, their canopies reaching towards the heavens. This is a place of remarkable biodiversity, a sanctuary for countless species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. As we ascend into the reserve, the air grows cooler, the humidity rising, enveloping us in a warm embrace. The sounds of civilization fade into the distance, replaced by the symphony of the rainforest. El Cielo is a place of remarkable contrasts. Lower down, tropical dry forests dominate the landscape, their trees adapted to the long dry season. But as we climb higher, the vegetation changes dramatically. The air grows heavy with moisture, and the dry forests give way to lush cloud forests, their branches draped in epiphytes. El Cielo is home to an astonishing array of wildlife, including several species of cats, the most elusive of which is the jaguar. Though rarely seen, their tracks and scat are a constant reminder that we are entering their domain. The reserve is also a birdwatcher's paradise, home to over 250 species of birds, including the resplendent quetzal. The forest floor teems with life, from tiny insects to larger mammals. Streams and rivers crisscross the landscape, providing vital water sources. As dawn breaks, the forest awakens with a chorus of sounds, and as dusk falls, a different symphony takes over, with nocturnal creatures emerging. Conservation efforts are crucial here, ensuring that this unique ecosystem remains protected for future generations. Local communities play a vital role in preserving the reserve, living in harmony with nature. Educational programs help raise awareness about the importance of this incredible habitat. Researchers continuously study the forest, uncovering new species and understanding ecological dynamics. For visitors, well-marked trails offer a chance to explore and experience the magic of El Cielo firsthand. El Cielo Biosphere Reserve is not just a sanctuary for wildlife, but a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature.
Chapter 3. Our journey takes us back to the coast, where the azure waters of the Gulf of Mexico lap gently against the shores of Tamaulipas. Here, golden beaches stretch as far as the eye can see, fringed by swaying palm trees and the turquoise waters of the Gulf. This is a place of endless summers, where the air is filled with the sound of seagulls and the scent of salt spray. The coastline of Tamaulipas is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Here, you can explore pristine beaches, swim in crystal clear waters, and marvel at the abundance of marine life that calls this place home. From the bustling port city of Tampico to the tranquil beaches of Playa Miramar, there is something for everyone along this enchanting coastline. Tampico, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is the perfect place to experience the unique blend of Mexican and Caribbean influences that define this region. Stroll along the city's charming streets, lined with colorful buildings and bustling markets, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Be sure to sample the local cuisine, a delicious fusion of seafood, spices, and tropical fruits. Just a short drive from Tampico lies Playa Miramar, one of the most beautiful beaches in Mexico.
Chapter 4. We turn our attention once more to the majestic Sierra Madre Oriental, a mountain range that stretches like a giant spine down the eastern edge of Mexico. This range is not just a geographical feature, but a living, breathing entity that has shaped the culture and history of the region for centuries. Here in Tamaulipas, the Sierra Madre reveals a different side to its character, one of cool pine forests, hidden waterfalls, and breathtaking vistas. The diversity of the landscape is truly remarkable, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Our journey takes us high into the mountains, where the air is crisp and clean, invigorating the senses and refreshing the spirit. Scented with the fragrance of pine needles and damp earth, it's a scent that brings a sense of peace and connection to nature. The road winds its way through dense forests of oak, pine, and fir, their branches reaching towards the sky like giant arms. These trees have stood the test of time, witnessing the changing seasons and the passage of countless years. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. This interplay of light and dark adds a magical quality to the forest, making it feel like a scene from a fairy tale. As we ascend, the temperature drops noticeably, and we find ourselves enveloped in a cool mist that clings to the mountainsides. This mist adds an ethereal quality to the landscape, blurring the lines between reality and fantasy. This is cloud forest territory, a magical realm where the trees are draped in epiphytes, their branches heavy with mosses, ferns, and orchids. These plants thrive in the moist, cool environment, creating a lush, green tapestry that is a feast for the eyes. We stop at a bend in the road, drawn by the roar of water cascading over rocks. The sound is both powerful and soothing, a reminder of nature's relentless energy. A short hike through the forest leads us to a breathtaking sight, a waterfall cascading down a sheer rock face, its waters crashing into a pool below with a deafening roar. For the adventurous traveler, the Sierra Madre Oriental offers endless opportunities for exploration. Whether you're hiking, birdwatching, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, this mountain range promises an unforgettable experience.
Chapter 5. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Tamaulipas, to a region where the landscape transforms once more, revealing the resilience of life in the face of adversity. This journey is not just about the physical terrain, but also about the incredible stories of survival and adaptation that unfold in this unique environment. This is La Petaca, a protected area that stands in stark contrast to the lush forests and coastal plains we've encountered so far. Here, the landscape is a testament to nature's ability to adapt and thrive under the most challenging conditions. Here, the terrain is rugged and unforgiving, a tapestry of canyons, valleys, and rolling hills, baked by the relentless sun. The harshness of the environment is evident in every rock and crevice, yet it holds a stark beauty that captivates the soul. The vegetation has adapted to this harsh environment, with thorny shrubs, cacti, and drought-resistant trees dominating the landscape. These plants have evolved over millennia to survive with minimal water, showcasing nature's ingenuity. It's a world of muted colors, where browns, grays, and greens blend seamlessly with the rocky terrain. The subtle hues of the desert create a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere, a stark contrast to the vibrant greens of the forests.
Yet, despite the challenges, life persists, finding a way to thrive in this arid environment. The resilience of the flora and fauna here is a powerful reminder of the tenacity of life. La Petaca is a testament to the adaptability of nature, a sanctuary for a unique array of plants and animals that have carved out a niche for themselves in this unforgiving landscape. Each species has its own story of survival, contributing to the rich tapestry of life here. The cacti, with their swollen stems and spiky armor, are the true masters of survival in this arid environment. Their ability to store water and protect themselves from herbivores is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. They have evolved to store water during the infrequent rains, their shallow roots spreading out wide to capture every precious drop. This adaptation allows them to endure long periods of drought, making them a symbol of resilience.
But it's not just the plants that have adapted to this harsh environment. The animal life here is equally remarkable, each species having developed unique strategies to cope with the extreme conditions. La Petaca is also home to a surprising diversity of animal life, all of which have developed unique strategies for coping with the heat and lack of water. From nocturnal habits to specialized diets, these animals exemplify the incredible adaptability of life in the desert.
Our journey through Tamaulipas has taken us from the sun-drenched beaches of the Gulf of Mexico to the cool, misty heights of the Sierra Madre Oriental, from the vibrant wetlands of Laguna Madre to the arid landscapes of La Petaca. We've witnessed the incredible diversity of life that thrives in this remarkable state. Tamaulipas is a place of endless possibilities for nature lovers, adventurers, and anyone seeking a genuine connection with the natural world. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher, a thrill-seeking hiker, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty and tranquility of nature, Tamaulipas has something to offer everyone. We hope this glimpse into the natural wonders of Tamaulipas has inspired you to experience its magic for yourself.